So we're working on a Whirlpool dryer, and complaint was dryer was making a loud noise. You can see some of the grinding sound up there. That's one sign that your dryer is making a noise or grinding. So that's your axle or shaft. We're going to rotate that, and that basically giving a new surface to ride on. Here is a stuck roller. It should be free. See that black stuff under the roller? That's the drum and the roller turning, but not smooth. Look at that. That's how smooth that should be. Sorry I didn't post the rest of the video on the repair, but pretty straightforward. Once you do it, do not oil those rollers. You can clean them with WD-40, but don't put any oil in them. That's the residue. This is me rotating the axle. It is somewhat difficult, but doable. You can do it. Closed end ratchet. And you can rotate it. Pay attention, you'll see the upside, which was where the roller was sitting. And it will now have a new surface, basically a brand new axle. Little tricks, save the customer some money, and also it still is good. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. I will show another video on tricks on how to get the drum in properly.